Hi, my name is Patrick Keating. I am from Broomfield, Colorado, and I am a UX designer. And what career advice would I give my younger self? I would have told him to stay on the creative arts track. I ended up winding all over the place. But I did land back into UX, which is certainly a creative art. What is my favorite creative place in Colorado and why? My friend owns a studio called the Decibel Garden. He is a musician and a filmmaker and an all-around just incredible human being. I've met the most amazing people there and have had incredible experiences with the kind of artists that are in the Denver community. They're all seem to gravitate to this place in Denver. Assuming you didn't have any limits, what would be your next dream project? My friend's business actually went out of business because of the pandemic. They didn't get enough funding and their business just couldn't stay afloat. It's called the Layer of Abraxas, which is basically nerd culture. And it's so much fun. I made so many friends there and I am a changed human being because of that place. And I would totally, absolutely work with those people to rebuild it.